American classic cars, sought after and loved throughout the world. One of the largest premier classic car shops in the country, located in Phoenix, Arizona, is owned by the world-renowned Bo Malafors.
I'm Bo Malafors. I've been in love with classic cars and old cars virtually all my life.
This is Copperstate Classic Cars. Out of thousands of restoration shops, Copperstate was chosen by the largest car convention in the world, SEMA, to showcase one of their latest restoration projects, a 1957 Chrysler New Yorker. Copperstate's expertise is recognized and honored throughout the industry.
So this 1953 Citroën is halfway restored.
One of the things that makes us unique is that we do have our own in-house upholstery shop.
So when this car is all said and done, it'll be a nice fender skirt.
Hi, I'm Sarah Malafors. I'm co-owner here at Copperstate Classic Cars.
Copperstate not only ships cars all over the world, they acquire classic cars from Sweden, Australia, Germany, the UK, Italy, France, Asia, and anywhere classic cars can be found.
This is a 1961 Volvo Duet 210. My dad has done a B18 with dual carbs and 4-speed to get a little more horsepower out of it. This is my 1950 Cadillac Coupe. It was my first car. My dad, Bo, gave it to me when I was 14 years old. It didn't look like this though when he found it.